Boy! Nope. Nope. This door's not for you, boy. Not for no brown. Not for no brown boys.
Leave me alone. Not for them brown boys. I can't pull it. I'm too weak.
Get your lashings.
How you supposed to push this damn thing? I'm stripping. Like I'm stripping. I got it.
Oh man, that
Nope.
did not work. Just fall wherever you're at. Fall.
Lever.
Damn. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Flash. Let me take trash out.
Hold on.
It's Monday. That's gonna hit one of y'all.
Oh my god. Almost died.
Help me. Oh, I broke it for you guys, so you're welcome. Help me. Help me. Oh, you died. JT, you're the last hope. Oh, hey, friend. My neck and my back.
It's final.
They broke my back.
You can jump it. Down there.
Or from up here. Whoop. Oh, wait, I can break it from down here. Yeah, fly through there. Oh, I broke it. Oh. Well, I don't need that anymore. Yay, new level. We gotta break that. You try to break the ground.
There we go.
Here, I'll carry Donovan through the level. You just do the stuff. You gotta lift that thing out. I'll wait till you figure it out because you're dumb. Yeah.
You get off of me.
Boy, now there you go. Now pull it. There you go.
let go of me.
Hey man, I was gonna pull you through the level just in case. Why are you climbing it? How, Sway? I don't know if I'm helping you though.
I don't know either. I'm in the air at this point. I'm gonna let go.
Alright, I'm gonna jump, right? And I'm gonna land it on perfectly. Hold on.
I'm gonna land it on purpose.
Hold on.
Working it out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. For the city.
So we gotta balance across it.
Don't
That is
don't
not
make it
gonna
fall,
happen.
please. You didn't even jump.
Oh no!
Yeah, don't worry, guys. I'll do everything like I've been doing. I get this.
Look, you fucking up this shit.
Doot. The trick
You
is.
don't make it fall.
Here's the trick.
Don't
Watch.
fuck it
I
up.
got it. I got it. Yeah, suck it.
You must.
5 wins. Aye, aye, captains. Are you both in there? Dawgs
Ready.
not in there.
Do it. Do it.
Okay, go.
Get
Shoot
the
it.
fetal
I'm on the
position.
edge.
Really, just let the momentum throw you.
Hell yeah. Oh, you made it.
I didn't think you. Oh snap! Where'd you come from, little brown boy?
Scary. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
There's nothing in here. I've been bamboozled.
Where'd you guys go?
We're below you.
In the water?
Oh damn it! Yeah, go in the jump in the water. That's where we're at.
I'm gonna die.
Did you? No, we're in the water.
Let me help you.
You jumped in the water. We're right behind you, dummy. You try to suffocate me from behind.
Yeah, always your way. Applebee's can have it your way all the time.
Damn, I wish you wouldn't have made it.
Oh, tits.
No! Damn,
By the sounds of that.
Hey! What?
You dumbass!
Come back inside!
Wait, where are you?
Outside.
I've never seen this take so long. Oh, you fell too? Yay!
Trying to save your ass.
I was unsavable.
Get him up, boy, David.
Alright, I will do it this time. Hey. The key is to not overthink it. Hey, you can just, JT, just go wherever you gotta go and get the damn checkpoint.
I enjoy watching this, honestly.
Nah, it ain't gonna happen again. Watch how fast I get over here. It'll be a speed run. You just think I was in Ultimate
MXC.
Ninja. Ultimate Ninja. Whoa! See how I popped up? That's it, broke my legs.
Dumbass.
Yeah, I can't spell. I ain't gonna lie. He popped up so hard off his legs that scared me a little bit. I know what to do.
Bounce off his ass.
Oh.
Yep. Alright, I'll get it this time. I'll just take my time. Ooh. Can't keep a good dog down. Let me do one more swing. Off the top ropes!
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, someone fell!
Shit.
Oh, wow!
Oh,
Two people
we
fell.
both fell.
Don't worry, dudes. I got this.
Hang on, Flynn.
Okay, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna climb.
Up
I'm gonna
each
grab
other?
your feet.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me grab. Hold on, I can't pull up. Okay, I'm gonna.
Oh.
Now I'm back over here, damn it.
Damn, JT, do your thing. Do your thing.
Hey, you gonna mess up my momentum.
Do the thing. Yeah, I think the A button broke.
You got it.
One take Timmy right here. Beep. We're gonna do this trick my nephew showed me. Alright, I'm gonna jump. And when I jump, you grab me. Like when I'm down here, grab me. That's not a trick. Oh, well. Hey, the best trick is I'm already over here. Let's get this dog off the stage. Sandman style. I don't know the Sandman theme song, but get you off the stage. Where'd you come from? God.
Did y'all not make it?
I'm going.
Get out here.
Bless you with it. I wanna bless you.
Holy water. Yeah, drop that board down here, my guy. you got up there. We don't get up there. You don't get up there. We a team.
I got this, boss.
This man out here pointing out instructions. Oh snap! Hey, let them do it. That's funny. Just do it the old-fashioned way. Just jump up there and grab it. Oh, you
Definitely did. No.
oh, you didn't jump from the highest. You didn't jump from the peak. That's your problem. Watch. I'll show you how to do this. I'm something like a phenomenon. Hey. I'm not saying the hook did that. I did that. You might just go without us and try to get that checkpoint. Oh, both my arms are broke. Someone fix my arms. I can't use them. Hey, someone fix this. Look at this. Look at this.
Hey.
What am I gonna do with this? I look like a damn anime character.
When you came around the corner, he's like, I got no arms. And his arms is nothing.
They're gone. I look like Naruto out here.
Oh,
Damn, Ichiraku
man,
ramen with my arms. Look, hey, pull my arms. Pull my arms. Help me. Alright, they work.
There we go.
Now. Pick me. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Let go, man. We got it.
Let go, Goofy.
Yeah.
God damn it.
Woohoo.
Wait, where's you
Oh, shit.
over there? Oh, my neck broke, bro.
Good time.
You gotta grab the windmill.
Yeah, then when you get high enough, you gotta let go.
Oh, I made it.
Yeah, right. You don't gotta let go.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah, you do.
How you gonna get over? Yeah, how you gonna get
Yeah.
over there? If you
All
don't
right.
let
Well, I
go?
gotta swing around again because I did let go.
You gotta trust me. I beat this level. Oh. Yeah.